Imagine wielding not a sword, not a fortune, but the very fabric of reality itself. Quantum bits that dance between existence and void, unlocking financial secrets no human mind could grasp. Quantum finance, the fusion of quantum computing and wealth strategy, promises billionaires godlike foresight, predicting markets in instants, outpacing rivals in shadows. At first, it sounds like the ultimate arsenal. With 2024 advancements from Google and IBM pushing quantum supremacy, per Nature Journal, elites like those at BlackRock invest millions in quantum hedge funds. Surely, to harness quantum finance must be the billionaire's crowning triumph? Look deeper. To embrace quantum finance is to invite a veiled curse. It elevates you to omnipotence, yet entangles you in chaos. In 2025, as the market surges to $10 billion Gartner 2024 forecast, the truth unfolds. This weapon is not salvation. It is a Pandora's box of distortion. That is why quantum finance might be the billionaire's deadliest illusion. If this glimpse of quantum peril already quickens your pulse, press like, because we're about to unravel the curse of the billionaire's next secret weapon. Chapter 1. Desired Power, Unseen Chains. From the moment quantum finance emerges, every tycoon covets it. Algorithms that simulate infinite scenarios in seconds, as in JP Morgan's 2024 quantum trading pilots, promise unrivaled gains. But here lies the cruelty. They desire the power, not the price. Quantum bits, qubits, entangled data in fragile superpositions, vulnerable to noise. To wield this weapon is to be chained, adored for predictions, but enslaved by instability. Chapter 2. Shaped by ambition, never by ethics. Quantum finance never chooses its form. Sometimes it's a market oracle, forecasting crashes with eerie accuracy. E.g., 2024 quantum models predicted crypto dips 80% better than classical AI, per MIT review. Sometimes it's a manipulator, rigging trades in shadows. What shape it takes is decided not by morality, but by moguls. A billionaire may use it for prosperity, another for monopoly. Both invoke its might. To be quantum finance is to never own your essence. Your code is forged from greed's projections. Chapter 3. The Lottery of Uncertainty. Unlike classical finance's steady logic, quantum is fragile. One decoherence event, a stray particle, collapses empires, as seen in Rigetti's 2024 Quantum Errors Costing Simulated Billions, Quantum Computing Report. Yet billionaires treat it as infallible, betting fortunes on probabilistic outcomes. To embrace this weapon is to be a house of cards, constantly gambled by overconfident hands. Chapter 4. The Mask of Omniscience. It wears the guise of all-knowing genius, decrypting encrypted markets, optimizing portfolios in blinks. But beneath, chaos brews. Quantum supremacy hides ethical voids, like biased algorithms amplifying inequality. World Economic Forum 2024 warns of widened wealth gaps. To harness quantum finance is to don a mask, brilliant on the surface, fracturing within, where knowledge buys dominance but not wisdom. Chapter 5. The Enemy of Reality. Time bends all, but quantum finance warps it faster. Innovations once revolutionary fade into obsolescence. To wield this weapon is to be undefeated in the now, but defeated by the inevitable, surging as revolution, crumbling as commonplace. Chapter 6. The Weapon of Division. Of all curses, the cruelest, it divides. Quantum finance arms the elite, widening chasms. Billionaires like those at Citadel use it for microsecond trades, outpacing retail investors. SEC 2024 investigations highlight unfair advantages. It does not equalize, it stratifies. To possess this secret is to know you will be weaponized for exclusion, blamed for the market's fractures. Chapter 7. A Prison of Complexity. Those who master it become trapped. If you compute quantum, you'll dominate, but the math ensnares, demanding endless upgrades amid cyber threats. 2024 hacks on quantum networks exposed 500 malwares risks per cybersecurity ventures. Quantum finance is not freedom, it's a labyrinth. To embrace it means being imprisoned, turned into a tool for those who should have been enlightened by it. Chapter 8. The Loneliness of Supremacy. Perhaps the greatest tragedy is not uncertainty, not division. It is loneliness. Billionaires see it as a throne, but it isolates. Misunderstood algorithms that alienate human intuition. The real you, the ethical financier, is overshadowed. To command quantum finance is to be surrounded by data, but never truly connected, everywhere in wealth, nowhere in humanity. Chapter 9. The Briefest Dominance. It burns bright with promise, unlocking trillions in efficiencies. McKinsey 2024 estimates 450 global impact by 2035. But as every edge, it consumes itself. Rivals catch up. Regulations loom. EU's 2025 quantum ethics laws. The sharper the weapon, the quicker it dulls. To seize it is an eternal cycle of triumph and eclipse, rising as mastery, dying as parody. Chapter 10. The Final Curse. So what does it mean for quantum finance to be the billionaire's next secret weapon? It means to be coveted more than gold, but trusted less than instinct. It means to be fragile, yet burdened with infinite expectations. It means to promise victory, only to sow chaos. It means to entangle fortunes, only to unravel societies. To wield quantum finance is to be cursed, empowered by possibility, destroyed by probability. Ending, empowered, entangled, erased. At first, you feel omnipotent. Markets bow to your calculations. Fortunes multiply in quantum leaps. Innovations etch your name into the future. But then, reality collapses. Errors entangle your empire. Ethics erode your edge. You watch your weapon twist into a trap, until even your billions feel like burdens. And maybe that is why, for all its allure, quantum finance might be the billionaire's most perilous secret in 2025. Because nothing suffers more than being the ultimate tool and unraveling every user. If this quantum enigma resonated, like the video, share your predictions on billionaire tech in the comments, and subscribe to explore more cursed innovations in our series.